Voiceovers are a popular and lucrative way to make money, especially with the rise of online platforms. Here's how you can get started. Build a portfolio. Start by recording some sample voiceover work. You can create short demos in different styles. A solid portfolio showcases your range and attracts potential clients. Join freelance platforms. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Voices.com are excellent for beginners to find voiceover gigs. Set up a profile and start bidding on projects that match your skill level. As you gain experience, you can raise your rates. Offer custom voiceover services. Market your voiceover services directly to businesses, podcasters, video creators, or educational content creators. You can charge per project, hour, or word, depending on the complexity and length of the work. Monetize via YouTube or podcasts. If you're an experienced voice actor, consider creating a YouTube channel or podcast. Through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate links, you can monetize your voiceover talent. Build a website. Having your own website helps to establish your brand and attract clients directly. You can also offer custom voiceover services for businesses or content creators looking for specific types of audio.